Hello, today I want to show you how to frame your glass art in the way I'm doing it. For this you can use only a very thin piece of fused glass. So my work here is just 3 millimeter thick. This is the frame I'm using. So the opening where the fused glass came in is 8 by 8 inch. Now I will open the frame. I take out this piece, which is the back of the picture. I take out everything what is inside. You have this quality carton where you will place your piece of glass, of used glass. I will open these two cartons to show you what it is inside. When I frame my pieces, I do not open them completely, but today I want to show you what it is inside. So you will see there is a kind of tape which is like a foam. It's attached to this frame, so your glass will fit perfectly in because it is just 3 millimeter thick. Here is the window glass which came with the frame, and I'm also using this glass to put on top of my fused glass landscape. Here you can see that this frame has just two hangers, just on one side, so you have to be careful to place your fused glass in the same direction with the hangers, because the glass will be glued on the back piece. So I place my glass in between this paper frame here. I'm very careful to center it perfectly. And after I do this, I will glue the glass, the back side of the glass, of course, to the back piece of the frame. So one more time, be sure that your glass is glued in the direction of your hangers. So this white paper frame, it's not glued to the back of your frame, just the glass. But you can find the center of your piece better if you leave the paper frame the first time when I made this, I glued it in the wrong direction, and I couldn't hang it. So my husband helped me out to create another hanger, but it's very difficult because you cannot, the piece is very attached very good to the back side, so you have to destroy everything if you want to remove the glass from the back. I'm using here a weld bond glue, which is a very good glue for gluing glass to wood or to paper or to metal. So here is the back side of my glass piece. I put the glue on it, and this will be glued on the back side of the frame, so this dark brown back. You have to leave it in place horizontally about a week to be sure that everything is dry and perfectly glued. This glue do not dry out very quick, so you have time to place your piece in the right direction and to center it very well, because this stack here, the back of the frame, this paper frame and your glass will have to be centered and glued perfectly, because this will have to fit in the wood frame. After you know everything, it's nice and good to be used. You need to place something heavy on top because this back carton, it's not always straight, and it is important to put something heavy on top. Here I'm using a piece of paper, not to have a dirty paper frame after a week, and so put really something very heavy in the center to be sure that everything will be glued perfectly. And I leave my pieces about a week. After a few days, you can remove what you have put on the heavy thing, heavy book or something you have there. But a heavy book, it's very good. And after a week, you will see everything is glued, and you can put everything together. And yes, because the fused glass you are using, it's not heavy at all, because it's just 3 millimeter. It will not come apart or fall off the back side. I'm sorry about my English. The terminology of framing, it's not very common for me, but I hope you can understand how to do it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for my YouTube channel. Bye now.